Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover old chats on WhatsApp. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your WhatsApp app. Now go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it, and then tap on chats, okay? Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find chat backup. Now in here, just make sure that you have backed up everything. For example, you have the automatic backups right here. You can go ahead and set this one to daily, weekly, monthly, or even manually, okay? Right here. So if your last backup right here was set, okay, for example, my last backup was yesterday, and then I wanted to recover a message that was, okay, available yesterday, this time, or 3/14. So if it exceeds this time right here, well, unfortunately, that was not backed up. So do not press backup right here, as everything will be lost. When you press backup, I'm just going to go ahead and explain it to you quickly. When you press backup, your messages right here will be your latest backup. Okay? So again, if you have the message deleted from this time below, say 3/14, 3/13 backwards, okay? Well, the message will be, or will still be available. So to recover it, just go ahead and close the WhatsApp app and then uninstall it, okay? Uninstall. And then after that, open up your Play Store or App Store, find WhatsApp, and then just reinstall it. Reinstall, and after that, it will ask you to continue with your backup, so go ahead and do so. And after that, your old chats should now be recovered. And that is it. That is how you recover old chats on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.